Teja. I'm from Chaitanya Institute of Science and Technology, Telangana. My father, P. Satyanarayana, he is a civil engineer, works at me. My mother, she's a homemaker. And I came to HK Academy to learn C program. Here my mentor is Atish Jain sir. He's a very supportive and supportive teacher. His classes are very understandable. He creates a positive environment that improves understanding and solving problems. He explains every complex problem and program with ease. He uses most of the real-time examples to explain every concept. Every concept is detailed. We can expect such a mentor. I can greatly recommend AH career to learn C programming languages.